You received your seatbelt and removed the webbing clip before installation. Now it's locked. What do you do next? Your seatbelt will not retract in any other angle. To retract it back again, place the seatbelt in the correct angle and positioning as it is in your vehicle. Roll it in a quarter of a turn and gently begin to pull it out. You removed your webbing clip off of your rear seatbelt and now your belt is stuck. To retract it back again, make sure you position your rear seatbelt in the correct angle as it is bolted in your vehicle. Roll it in a quarter of a turn and gently begin to pull it out. To get more info and images on this issue and other issues you are having, simply scan the QR code on your receipt.